All right, guys, here we go. Football mixer time. Yeah, we could do something like that. 25 spot serial number. That should be maybe doable. But the Browns are still up there. The Giants are still up there too. So, all right, guys, here we go. Let's see what box of NT we're gonna do. Let's see what box we're gonna do. NT. We're just running the NT box. The other ones we just. All right, 2, 4, 6, and 7. There we go. Roll the dice 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. Why do you say 8? Box 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Box 5. Oh, janitor, are you here, janitor? Oh, you are here. I don't know. Did I tell you that we found more of the Bowman base for you? All right, let's go ahead and do a white sparkle pack. Good luck. Make sure I'm recording. Okay, recording. The base, the Bowman base. Bosa. I don't know. We haven't gone through it. There's a bunch of base here. Chargers, and you couldn't fit into the package. Ricky in the back. That's a nice one. I kind of collect Bosa a little bit easy. Josh Gordon for the Browns. Uh-oh. Ricky for the Giants. Come on, Dustin. This puts you ahead right here. This will put you ahead right here. Come on. Boom! Barkley Sparkle. There you go, Dustin. I don't know if it put you ahead, but it's put you really close. All right. Nice start, fellas. Barkley Auto in every box coming up. Got a purple. Sean Lee. We got a Peyton Manning here, and that's going to be numbered at 175. Broncos. Derek. Nice Peyton Manning. Shady McCoy, number 99 there. Lions. Kerryon Johnson. Nice Kerryon Johnson for Tom Ritter. On card auto. And a purple auto here. OG Bonilla. Going out to the Rams. Jeff Williams. Yeah, nice, nice upgrade there. All right, let's do encased. that was held it for a while then. All right, here we go. Another encased. I think we're due for encased here too. We haven't. I think this is my last encased. I think we're due for something good in here too. So can't remember what we pulled out of the case. We have Mr. Tom Brady. Tom Brady. We have Mr. McCaffrey. Nice. Number 10. Nice patch there for the Panthers. Ritter B. Ezekiel Elliott. Number 50. Plain colored patch going out to Janitor. And number 50. Go. If they go pack. For the Colts. That's going to Mel. Silver. The silver. Mint 9 hats. Ooh, number 5. Autograph number 5. Bradley Chubb. Boom, nice. Told you we're due for something nice here. 2 of 5, Bradley Chubb. Go pack. What is everyone writing? Go pack. What does that mean? Derek. Sports Card Psycho. That's the New Era logo there. Oh, Wolfpack. Okay. I was like thinking, it's like go pack, like open your pack. Pack yours is a packer set. 9 auto, 9 mint. Still number 5, Bradley Chubb. New Era logo cap patch. There you go, Sports Card Psycho. Nice. I told you we were doing for something nice in the case. That's my last in case too. All right. What are we doing? I'm not too sure about silhouettes. I forgot what we pulled out of here. I think we pulled something good out of here already. Mason Rudolph jersey card for the Steelers going out to Mel. Number 99 here. Take me home. Oh, we got a. Oh, what? There it goes. Jalen Samuels RPA for the Steelers, number 299. Mel. Yeah, look at card there. Lamar Jackson rookie. Got some goop on it. Jones silver. Mason Rudolph lime green, number to 49 for the Steelers. Now, David Johnson, number to 99 for the Cardinals. Be home. I think we're still looking for one auto. This is Sam Darnold for the Jets. And one. Maurice Hurts. Raiders. I'm going to have to pass that. Anthony Miller red, number 99 for the Bears. Morton. And there's select. Honors. First up the line is next. Almost time to pray. Yep. This should be pretty good though. This first of line, so guarantee 101 on card auto. Let's do it like this so you can't see it just yet. I don't know, I can't see them either. Let's put here in this. Let's go ahead and do this one. Ito Smith, number to 9. Going out to the Falcons, Chris G. Let's do a little pack. Number to 9, Adam Thielen and Michael Vick, number to 99. Falcons, Lisa Hansen with the Adam Thielen purple, number to 9. Let me see, and this is a 101 of Deion Sanders. That's sweet. Going out to the Falcons. Falcons, Chris G. Deion Sanders 101. That's the original too. That's an original, not a buy-pack. On card auto 101. Alright, here we go. Yeah, Falcon box. It's a big time. Yeah, Falcon Michael. Yeah, it's a big time Falcon box. Damn. Ooh, fatty. We got a fatty. Let's see, right there. The fatty right there. With a book. Ooh, there's a sticky at the end too. That's good news. Sticky at the end. Usually those are RPAs. Not usually, but could be. So here we go. Good luck. First on the first card, number 75, Darius Slay. Ooh, nice one coming up for the Patriots. 9 of 12. Tom Brady base. Good as you get for a base right there. Tom Brady. 9 of 12. That's the jersey number parallel. Was that a hat card? That book? Carson Wentz. Yeah, that'll sell. That'll probably be. I don't want to know, but I'll say it. But that'd probably be pretty good. Carson Wentz jersey card number 99 for the Eagles. Mortitone. We got a dual jersey card. Jaleel Scott, Lamar Jackson, number 99. Ravens, Mel. Nice patch here. Joey Bosa, number 25. 1, 2, 3 colors. Going out to the Chargers. Easy. There we go. Take it easy. We have another Ravens multi patch jersey card. Hayden Hurst, Lamar Jackson, Jaleel Scott. Going out to the Ravens again. Mel. Isaiah Oliver for the Falcons. Falcons hit again. Chris G, number 75. And the book. Ooh, nice. The book, Royce Freeman, number 99. Autographed book. Going out to the Broncos. Derek. Very nice. Very nice. For the Cardinals. Oh, wow. Number 99. Going out to B-Home, and the Cardinals hit again with a true RPA, number 99, a Christian Kirk. B-Home. See, I knew this was going to be a true RPA. Well, you got both the last hits there. RPA, true RPA, Christian Kirk, and Rosa, number 99. And there we go, fellas. We'll do a recap. Let's go ahead and do a recap. NT book here. Royce Freeman. Broncos. Let me take a picture of this right now before I put it up. Let me put in a thicker one. Put in a little bit of thicker one here. I know, huh? We did get Deion Sanders. We could have won. Put it in here already. No, I just did a team break, B Holmes. I was kind of looking it up, and I just went ahead and just it's on eBay right now, but it's teams. All right, here we go. Deion Sanders 101 auto for the Falcons. Ito Smith purple number to 99. Bradley Chubb number to 5 auto. Josh Rosen auto RPA. Christian Kirk. Yeah, Oliver auto got a triple patch here. Number 25 patch here. Joey Bosa double patch here for the Ravens. Witness patch. Tom Brady number to 12. Darius Slay number 75. Thielen number to 9. Michael Vick, Anthony Miller, red. Maurice Hurts, red auto. Darnold, David Johnson, blue die cut. Green, lime green, Mason Rudolph. Jalen Samuels, RPA. Mason Rudolph, jersey card. Hines auto. Ezekiel Elliott, jersey card. Nice patch here. McCaffrey, number to 10. Kerryon Johnson auto. McCoy, red. Peyton, number 99. Joey Bosa. Sparkle, Gordon Sparkle, and a Saquon Barkley Sparkle. All right, there you go, guys. Appreciate it.